Today we've got another 327 dyno test. What we have here is a copy of basically an L79 350 horse 327. And my son and I built this engine for a truck that he's going to drive to high school. And let's go over the specs of what we have here. It's real similar to the one we did a few videos back, but there's a few differences. This one is a true 11-to-1 compression. It has a solid lifter cam, which is an Esky grind, which is 480 lift, 240 at 50 on a 108 load separation, and we've got it installed on a 108. So basically what we have here is a 30 over 327 with 11-to-1 compression, a little solid lifter cam. We've got a ported 462 cylinder head on it with a 202 160 valve, Z28 springs, Scorpion roller rockers. Of course, it's machined for screw-in studs and guide plates. And we've got a Performer RPM intake on there with a 750 Holly. And we used a Summit oil pan and we modified it and put our modifications into it. So we'll go ahead and dyno test this engine, and we'll go through the numbers after we run it. Okay, so here we have our horsepower column and our torque column. As you can see, the torque's not very good on a 327, but it carries pretty good for what it is. I mean, there's not a lot there, but it doesn't drop off a lot. And here's our horsepower column, where we have a peak of 445, horsepower at 6,400. And you know, we've kind of got this thing jetted too for this altitude, so there might be a few more horsepower there, but this is basically what we ended up with. So it'll give you some idea when you build a motor similar to this what you're going to end up with.